Namaste. Welcome to Institute of Hotel Management Hajipur's Club Insomnia Kitchen. In the series of basic preparations, today we are here with the preparation of white sauce. To help me on this dish, today I have Chef Sahars Tiwari, who has been on the camera for various dishes, and today on camera we have Chef Saurabh. So Chef, we are ready to prepare white sauce. Now let me tell you, this white sauce is one of the basic dish that you need to know to prepare in order to prepare various dishes. To prepare white sauce, we require milk, roux and cloth. So first, Chef, what is the French term for white sauce?
It's bechamel sauce.
Very nice, bechamel. Now there was a person named Louis Bechamel in 17th century, and he was a financier, and it is said that he invented this sauce, and that's why this sauce is named after him, but there is no record as such, but that is why we consider this as a white sauce. Now we will be preparing white sauce with milk. Then you require roux, you require cloth, nutmeg, salt and pepper to taste. So first you have to boil the milk, then you have to add cloth. So Chef Sahars, what is cloth?
Onion, it's basically onion, cloves and bay leaves.
Yes, you are right. Yes, it's basically bay leaf. You have to use bay leaf and cloves studded together. Now once your milk is boiled, then you put this cloth in this and let it boil your milk for another 30 minutes. So you can stir this little bit in that, so that the onion is properly goes inside, and by the time you have to prepare a roux. So the preparation of roux is, we will be uploading that video on roux also. So what is roux, Chef Sahars?
Roux is a mixture of equal quantity of butter and flour. It's cooked.
Very good. It's a cooked mixture of equal quantity of refined flour and butter. In hotels, when you will say, some people will say that roux is a mixture of fat and refined flour, because in hotels cook it on a very slow temperature. Do not let it boil and keep on stirring, otherwise there are chances that it will stick to the bottom. So you have to be careful when you stir the white sauce. So by the time our white sauce is cooking, we will lightly season this. To season, we will add salt. Now this is again, it's a base of various other dish. So you have to be careful not to add too much of seasoning. Then you have to add refined white pepper powder. Now to add white pepper powder, you have to put it into, take in the ladle, little bit of white pepper powder, add some water and mix that. If you will add white pepper powder straight into that, then you will see that there will be lumps in that. There are chances that it will form lumps. So make sure that you add white pepper powder without, don't add without mixing into the water. Now you can also season your white sauce with little bit of nutmeg. Now you see it has this end, so you have to grate little bit of nutmeg in this and season to this. Don't add too much of nutmeg, otherwise your sauce will become bitter. Now we have to cook this for another 15 minutes so that all your roux is cooked and it has a very nice homogeneous mixture you can get. White sauce has cooked and now you can see this, it has a very nice consistency. Now this is what is the difference, like sauce should coat your behind of your spoon. So this is in a very nice consistency. Now taste this, taste the sauce for the final seasoning, whether it has salt, pepper or not. It should get the flavor of nutmeg also. Okay, so it is perfect. In case it is lightly seasoned, it's okay because we are going to use this as a base. So where will you use this white sauce?
You can use in any kind of soups.
Yes.
Kind of soups and
to prepare cream based soups, all the cream based soup you can use white sauce. Okay, all cream based soups, whatever, like cream of mushroom, cream of broccoli, you can use white sauce. You can, yes, cheese sauces are basically the derivative of white sauce. There are many derivatives of white sauce, it is prepared and served along, so that is what you prepare. Now in case there is a lump form in your sauce, so you have to strain that. You can strain that. Here there is no lump, so I did not strain, but if there is lump in your sauce, you can strain them. Now you will see that if you keep it, it's hot and there will be skin on top, it will form skin. So that there is no skin, you can put some butter on top. Okay, so this butter will melt along with this, and then there will be, this butter will make a layer on top, and then there will be no skin, and this butter can be also used during your cooking. So this is how, after that you put the clean wrap on this and store this into your refrigerator and use it for various other dish. So this is the basic white sauce bechamel from Club Insomnia Kitchen. I, Chef Anupam, along with Chef Sahars, and on camera, Chef Saurav, would like to say thank you for watching. Namaste from Club Insomnia Kitchen. Keep liking, sharing and subscribing our channel. We will be back with many more recipes. Thank you so much. Namaste.